Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel. Today I want to make halva. So stay with us until the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. Let's start. Ingredients: 1 cup of oil, 1 cup semolina flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup almonds, raisins and cashews, 1 teaspoon cardamom and a little saffron, 3 cups of boiling water. In the first step, we make syrup. Add sugar, cardamom and saffron in 3 cups of boiling water and mix well. Second stage. Put the pot on medium heat and add 1 cup of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 cup of semolina flour. Fry until it changes color. Dear friends, don't forget that we need your support. Make us proud by subscribing and liking us. Now add all the syrup we prepared earlier. Stir and fry until the water is completely dry. Add almonds, raisins and cashews. It should be said that saffron, almonds, raisins and cashews are optional. You can use food coloring instead of saffron. The water is completely dry. Now we cover it and let it infuse for 10 minutes with very low heat. After 10 minutes, halva is ready. Dear friends, by subscribing and liking our videos, you are doing us a great favor and motivating us to post more videos on our channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please join us.